Hello, my name's Emma Varnum. I am a crochet designer and author, and welcome to my channel. It's been a fair few weeks since I posted a video here, mostly to do with being busy with the summer and having a bit of a holiday, which has been really great. I've finished some of the stash heap challenge things, and I will share on my blog the final picture of it. It's gone off to accompany new college child in their new life, and it's really exciting. So it's finished and it's gone off, which is brilliant. So yeah, I'm really thrilled about that. But when I was talking to you about Stash Heap Challenge, I said to you I'd finished a book, and many of the yarns I used, both in my sort of Battenberg Stash Heap crochet blanket and in the knitted house blanket, came from the stash that I had left over from finishing a book, and it's here. And I'm really proud of this one. I really loved making it. It is vintage granny squares. And it arrived this week, so I thought I'd share a bit with you. I've written 2 other Granny Square books, Granny Squares Home and Granny Squares Weekend. And I love both of those books. And this is the book where I've put in my kind of favourite Granny Squares projects. And so I just thought it would be fun to take you through some of the projects in it. I put some of my all-time favourite projects. So I just thought I'd share with you some of the blankets. So this is I've created this blanket as a real retro feel. And something when you're thinking of picking up a Granny Square blanket, you can make this. It uses loads of stash, loads of different colours. That's in there. This is the soft summer blanket that I've worked on. There's a pattern now for this, and it's in the book. Absolutely gorgeous blanket, it just was a me project that I loved, and lots of my blog followers loved it too. I've also updated my Scandi blanket that I designed, and a shrug there, which is great for all sizes in terms of taking a Granny Square and making it wearable. Here, some more blankets in here. My zigzag, which has been really popular over the years. And this one is made up of 4 large squares, and it's got that super peachy vintage feel to it, so it's got some great colorways for you. I've got some chunky and some also some solid square cushions. I've got some great bags. I've used the pattern for my beach bag and I've lined it. This one's also a great tote bag. Hopefully you would love that, because I think Granny Squares bags are just fantastic for using up yarn. Classic pot holder and a Granny Squares hat as well. And that's the kind of design I use a lot. I've got some chain decoration. This scarf, I made a version of this scarf for daughter of one of my friends, and I loved it so much. I've never written the pattern up, and this is the opportunity. I've done a colourway here for a classic sort of bohemian wrist warmer and mitten, fingerless mitten pattern. I love this. I'm going to make a load of these for Christmas. And this fantastic, really easy tea cozy pattern. Such a great thing to do for Christmas. I've got plans in my head. So I'm just taking you through. Bunting, square, I mean, really great for a nursery. This, I put a top in, a lovely chunky top pattern. I would, I wear something like that. 2 more different bags, cute little evening bag and a project bag that I have done for many years. So I am so thrilled with how this book looks. I hope you would really like it. It's got all of the yarns you're going to need. And then my books have lots and lots of instructions for beginners. I use illustrations with my hands in them. I'm just so pleased that I've been able to do this book now, because it's just got all of my favourites in them. I'm just going to show you this image of that soft summer blanket, which I love. And I think you're going to love the colourways as well. Look at that image. So they're great. These are projects I've, used in my own home. I really, really love the projects, and they are things I use all the time. So I'm hopeful that you're going to love this this book as well. So there are 3 Granny Squares books. If you go on my website and if you go on my Etsy, I will have just a few signed copies available. I'm thinking of doing a giveaway too. So if I do a giveaway, I will tell you where I might be able to give away 1 each of my Granny Square books. But I love working with this publisher. I love the way that they made them look, and it's out now. So go over to your local either online store or go to your local bookshop and ask for it to be ordered in. You can get signed copies from me, but I'm hopeful that you really love it too. So tell me what you think. See if you see it. I absolutely thrilled that so many of you have got into crochet more recently, and just give me some feedback of whether you like the projects. This is so going to be something I'm going to do for Christmas. Got people in mind. So, and I could do them for myself if I could. Anyway, I hope you love it, and thanks so much for joining me, and put any questions in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. I would absolutely love it if you would. Okay, thanks so much for joining me. Bye.